Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an LG brand washing machine and you're getting an IE or a 1E error on it, and you're wondering how to get rid of the error and get your washing machine working again. Especially because if you get this error, your washing machine is not going to be working, and that's because this error means it's not able to get the water that it needs. So when it's time to start a cycle, it tries to take on water. It gives itself a certain amount of time to fill up with water. After that time, it doesn't get the water. It abandons the cycle and gives you this error. So all we need to do to get rid of this error is figure out why our washing machine is not getting water. So we're going to start, really you can just start at the level of your house and make sure, is the water onto your house? Did someone cut the water off? Because that might be it. Secondly, where the actual, this here is where the water line hooks up to the washing machine. You want to make sure this valve or these valves are completely open, completely counterclockwise, completely to the left. And then you want to check that hose that goes from there all the way to the back of your washing machine and make sure that it's not pinched or kinked or bent in any way that would prevent water from flowing through it. There's also a debris screen within it. You can check to make sure that the debris screen is not clogged. So anyways, if you figure out why the water's not getting to your washing machine, you'll be able to get it fixed and get it working again. So anyways, hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.